Now, very first, we will understand what is production. It means to produce, to make, or to manufacture something which is useful for us. See the flowchart? Here I have written the meaning also. One example I can give you, we produce sugar from sugarcane, which is essential for making sweet things, and without it, we are not able to prepare tea even. Same as for production, basically some factors are needed, such as land, labor, physical capital, and human capital. In my flowchart, you can see these all factors are written over here. Because in the lack of these things, we wouldn't be able to produce anything. So the first factor is land. If I ask you what is land, I think you all can give the answer very well. That on land we are being and doing all our tasks. It is a natural resource and very fixed in nature. Means what amount of land we have with us, we can use that much only. It cannot be stretched to some more extent. Land is used for buildings such as schools, offices, roads, railways, houses, agricultural fields, mills, factories, industries, and many more. Without land, we can't imagine to be stable and to perform different works. That's why land is a major factor for production because all the industries to be set on land. The another factor we will talk about is labor. It means when a person put an effort mentally and physically to make something, then they are called laborers. I think you all have seen in the news some days before that a large quantity of laborers were migrating from the major cities like Bombay or Delhi because they were not having any work there because of the lockdown, and they wanted to move to their own villages or hometowns. Laborers can be anyone, like construction workers, wagers, officials, doctors, teachers, professionals, lawyers, etc. They all work mentally and physically. Some work in the fields and some work in the offices of different areas. The third factor is physical capital. It means whatever we use to produce or to make are called physical capital. It is of two types, fixed capital and working capital. First, we will understand fixed capital. Fixed capital is what we purchase for once and can be used for a long time. For example, once we purchase a land, area, machine, tool, or any other equipment, then there would not be any need to purchase these items again and again because these can be used for a longer period of time in our life. But on the contrary, working capital is the running one, which to be used number of times and again we have to buy it. These are raw materials and money. See, if you are producing sugar in a mill, then with the help of only machines and tools, you wouldn't be able to produce sugar until you would not have sugarcane as a raw material and money to buy this sugarcane from a farmer. So I can say that there is a difference between the two types of capitals. Now, the next factor is human capital. This capital means the knowledge, the skills of a human being. This you can understand by the example of your teachers. Basically, they are knowing the facts and providing you their own knowledge. This way, teachers are being human capital. The second example you can take of doctors. This is a current scenario, as you can see how the doctors are working nowadays in the drastic conditions of COVID-19 and rescuing the patients from coronavirus. Same as on the construction sites, the wagers work physically in the extreme situations, and because of them only, we are able to build mega structures. Here, good engineers also show their mental skills in this process because they prepare the maps and estimations and all. So, some people provide mental skills and some provide physical skills, but both are the complementary to each other. We can't complete our different tasks in the lack of others' help because you can't build your own house by your own. You can't rescue yourself from any disease until you'll not consult to your doctor. And even you can't teach you by your own in the lack of your teachers. So this way human beings do provide your skills and help to make the economy strong.